How does the BLS gather data? Uncovering the truth behind the jobs report. Imagine the uproar when President Donald Trump dismissed the Bureau of Labor Statistics commissioner, claiming the recent jobs report was rigged, without any supporting evidence. But here's where it gets controversial. Former Labor Statistics officials insist that the commissioner doesn't actually play a role in compiling the monthly jobs report. "There's no way for that to happen," said William Beach, who was appointed by Trump himself to serve as BLS commissioner. "The commissioner doesn't do anything to collect the numbers. The commissioner doesn't see the numbers until Wednesday before they're published. By the time the commissioner sees the numbers, they're all prepared. They're locked into the computer system," Beach explained on CNN. So, how does the BLS gather data for the jobs report? The process, known as the Employment Situation Summary, begins with a survey of American households. The current population survey reaches about 60,000 households nationwide, with around 2,000 trained employees conducting interviews. The sample changes periodically, and no household is surveyed more than 4 months consecutively. Each month, 1/8 of the sample is interviewed for the first time, 1/8 for the second time, and so on. This rotation scheme has been in use since July 1953 and enhances the reliability of estimates of month-to-month and year-to-year changes, the Bureau explains on its website. The BLS also surveys government agencies and businesses, collecting information about their workforce, hours worked, and earnings data from payroll records. This data is gathered over the phone and digitally, then reviewed by BLS analysts. All information submitted to the BLS is kept strictly confidential, as authorized by federal law. When asked for evidence to back Trump's claims, National Economic Council Director Kevin Hassett pointed to revisions made to prior months as the evidence. Trump even suggested these revisions were manipulated to favor Kamala Harris. But here's the part most people miss. Revisions are a normal part of the process. What you saw on Friday was the effect of trying to do a better job, getting more information, Beach clarified. Erica Grosjean, commissioner from 2013 to 2017, agreed, stating that revisions are not a sign of manipulation, but rather a feature of the system designed to improve accuracy. The BLS tries 3 different times to get employers to report how many jobs they have, and sometimes the employers can't report it right away. So the BLS imputes the number from the behavior of other companies like them and history, Grosjean explained.